Is your Instagram follower count looking more like a leaky faucet than a steadily growing stream? Don't panic. I'm about to show you how to diagnose and fix that dreaded follower drop. Step 1. Identify the problem. Is it a sudden, massive drop, or a slow, consistent trickle? A sudden drop might indicate a ban wave from Instagram removing bot accounts, or a purchase of fake followers being purged. A slow trickle is usually organic and requires a different approach. Note the date and time of these changes, it's important. If you see a significant dip, especially a sharp one, it's very likely due to Instagram removing fake or inactive accounts. Don't be alarmed, this actually improves the quality of your audience and your engagement rate. Step 2. Audit your own content. Are you posting consistently? Is your content engaging and relevant to your audience? Check your recent posts to see what resonates most. Dig into your Instagram insights. Look at which posts are performing well and which aren't. Pay attention to metrics like reach, impressions, engagement rate, and saves. This data will reveal what your audience is responding to. Step 3. Boost engagement. Use interactive story features like polls, quizzes, and question stickers to encourage your followers to interact with your content. The more engagement you get, the more likely Instagram's algorithm is to show your content to more people. Step 4. Master the hashtag game. Research and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Avoid using generic or overly competitive hashtags. Look for niche hashtags that are specific to your content and target audience. Step 5. Engage authentically. Don't just passively post. Actively engage with other accounts in your niche. Leave thoughtful comments, like their posts, and build genuine connections. This will help you attract new, real followers. Step 6. Stay consistent with your branding. Use the same color palettes, font styles, and overall aesthetic. This builds brand recognition and makes your profile instantly recognizable. Step 7. Explore collaborations. Partner with other creators in your niche to cross-promote each other's accounts. This exposes you to a new audience and helps you gain more followers. Make sure your collaboration brings value to both of your audiences. Remember, building a real, engaged audience takes time and effort. Focus on creating high-quality content, engaging authentically, and staying consistent. By following these steps, you can stop the follower drop and start growing a thriving Instagram community.